It didn't have this nice satin finish where you can see the wood.
Yeah,
No,
so when you moved in, was the house?
It was new.
It was, yeah.
Well, new built, but it was the last house in the community.
Yeah.
They really just finished it, and I didn't care much about.
You know, they probably got a lot of foot traffic, and again, too, they probably had someone come in and just clean it. Didn't clean it right.
Yeah, they just did the.
So it did. So and that was said. Wow. So
you took it like straight from construction and 7 years of abuse.
Wow.
And then you made it look like this. So
it did look bad. Man, that's crazy.
I'll make sure I write that up.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
It's horrible.
You're sending it back.
Wow.
I was telling
What do
you
you
that
think?
when we bought the house, it wasn't like this.
No. It's amazing.
It looks almost wet.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Wow. Yes.
I love it.
Thank you. And like I was telling Roberto, you know, I kind of describe this like when we brush our teeth every day.
Yeah.
But when you go to the dentist, it's a different cleaning. The floors is the same way because most people when they clean their floors, they just flat mop, you know, cleaner. But that machine and the chemistry and of course the techniques, yes, you got a whole different floor now just with the cleaning.
Like you can see like the wood texture.
Did I tell you that? Yeah, you can see the texture now. That's the first thing I noticed when I was cleaning it. You can notice the texture.
Wow.
This is how it was always intended to look.
Yes, sir.
This is much appreciated.
Thy you.
Yes.
I'll make sure my neighbors see it, and then I'll.
Oh.
And did you see what I did for Roberto in his office?
He took the. Remember it was all scratched?
Yes.
He took.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today is November. I just looked at. I swear, I just looked at my phone. It got to be the age kicking in. November 23rd on a Saturday. Beautiful day today. I am out here in Cumming, Georgia. So this morning I went and did 2 consultations. They both booked on the spot. The first one, they're actually moving from Nashville, Tennessee. That house is in Canton, Georgia. They're going to be doing a screener recoat with UV Cure December the 3rd because I'm booked out until then. And then the job that I went to, the next consultation, which was also in Cummings, I'm able to fit her in the day before Thanksgiving, which is next Wednesday. And this is going to be a cleaning of the hardwood floors. And that's actually what I'm going to be doing here. This is Mr. Roberto. They have a new one coming on the way and just want to get the floors clean, okay, clean and sanitized. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So 2 consultations today, which I've already knocked those out, and then going to be doing some hardwood floor cleaning, close to 1,400 square feet plus some stairs. So guys, let me flip this around and show you what I got going today. All right, so again, I am out here in beautiful Cummings. Cummings is, that's Mr. Roberto right there. Cummings is one of my hot spots because I do a lot of work in Cummings, Alpharetta, Milton, of course Atlanta. I do a lot of work in Atlanta. So these are the floors I'm going to be doing today. All right, let's get my water ready. So what I'm going to be doing is just basically cleaning these wood floors. And again, if you watch my videos, cleaning wood floors is the only service you don't have to move all the furniture out like the screen and recoat, but clients do move as much furniture as possible. And then like rugs like this, they'll fold them back. So they also have a catwalk hallway upstairs I'm going to be doing, plus the stairs. And then I was able to leave my machine right here, which I've already put the cleaner, the neutral cleaner in. I'm going to fill it with some water. And then so basically all of these floors around the sofa, around the island, okay, so you guys can see the floors aren't bad, but clients, certain clients and homeowners, they want to get it done at a professional level, and that's what I'm going to be doing here, through here in Mr. Roberto's office. All right, guys, so I'm going ahead and get started, and I'll show you a little footage during the process. Stay tuned. Is it right? Yeah.
Man. All you needed was a nice
All you nice and cleaning. Yep. Well, I tell people, sometimes when your floors are in decent condition, you don't necessarily need to go through a recoat. Sometimes the cleaning can make a huge difference. especially with the machine and the chemistry that I use. Be a huge difference. I actually noticed when I was cleaning, I was flat mopping. Also, too, I turned on the air. You can turn it back off just to kind of help it dry, because sometimes when it's hot in the house, it likes to hold the moisture. But yeah, man, this came out really good. And also, look at that as a bonus. Go look what I did for you under your desk.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
That's too kind of you.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Just a little color correction technique. I said, man, since I'm here, I go ahead and do that for him now.
I appreciate that.
Well, you're welcome.
Look at that.
Yes, sir.
I mean, it looks like it's white.
Yeah, you know why? Why it look like it's wet? Because I restored it. See, sometimes when your floors are not to say you haven't made, a lot of people don't understand. It's like we brush our teeth every day, right? But when you go get your teeth cleaned by the dentist, it's a totally different cleaning, you know?
Yeah.
So with this, I actually restored the floors back to its original sheen, because this floor has a finish on it. So when I was cleaning with your floors, I noticed that it was a little hazy because of either not being professionally cleaned in so long, or the wrong chemistry that can sometimes cause a residue issue. I didn't expect a residue issue. I think with yours, it was just time for a professional cleaning.
Yeah, it's never had it.
And how long have you been there?
Since 2017.
Yes, it needed a good cleaning. Yep, and that's
All
what
right,
it
so
did.
I guess we can do this with a certain frequency.
Yes, sir. Yep.
So not a lot of refinishing
No,
either, right?
not really. To be honest, you don't need a screen to recoat, because actually, if you look close, you can actually see the grain of your wood now.
Yeah.
Because
that was gone. It was
because a lot of that in the residue, and like I said, when that machine I'm using, the chemistry is extracting. When most people clean their floors, they're just wiping. They're just wiping. Eventually you're going to need that machine on the floors.
Well, I'll tell you what. My neighbors across the street.
Okay.
Are ready for this.
Okay.
You might need to come.
All righty.
Very soon.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, this is nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they really needed this.
Yes,
so
sir.
We'll definitely keep you.
And how did you originally hear about me again?
I did a search on Google, and you were the one that pop up with Truman. They're it.
There's it. Yeah, man. I appreciate that, man.
You build a good reputation.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
With people like me, I mean, I'm not really from here. I depend a lot on that, and other people.
Yep.
Putting a good word on businesses.
There you go.
I also try to do local business.
Local,
right?
yes.
I try to avoid the chain stuff.
Yep.
When possible. So
I just came and did a consultation before I come here, and I'm going to do her floors next Wednesday. And she said the same thing. She said, Courtney, I usually have one of the big chain companies clean my carpets, but I wanted a specialist. And she found me on Google, just like you did.
okay.
And she said, once I went to your website, and she...
So you do the carpets too?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, it's unfortunate. I just focus on the floors.
Yeah, it's
We
fine.
only had a carpet floor a couple weeks ago, but I'll definitely we'll do the whole thing. next time.
Awesome. Thank you.